Hi everybody, welcome to tip number 12 in our 30 tips in 30 days. I hope you're enjoying them. Thanks to everybody who has watched all of the tips and to all our new subscribers. A big welcome to you. And thanks to everybody who has been with us since day one. In this short video, we're going to have a look at how much it costs to apply for a driving test in 2022 and also how you would apply. Let's get straight to it. And the Category B cost, which is a car by the way, Category B is €85 at the moment to apply for a driving test. When you pass your test, by the way, a 10-year license, which most people will apply for, will cost you €55 for a 10-year license. Now, where do you apply? You apply at myroadsafety.ie is the easiest website to apply now. If you haven't checked it out already, it's a fantastic website, myroadsafety.ie. It's not around that long, well worth checking out, and you can manage all your driver needs from the one website. So I'm going to play a little video now. Here's one of their videos regarding applying for the driving test.
Welcome to myroadsafety.ie, your one-stop shop for all road safety authority services, allowing you to securely and conveniently manage all your driver needs. You can quickly and easily book your driving test at myroadsafety.ie. Go to myroadsafety.ie and log in with your verified MyGov ID or register your details with the RSA for an account. Booking your driving test has never been easier. Select your goal and then click on Book a Driving Test in the Goal step. Then follow these 3 steps. 1. Choose your driving test centre. You will be shown the one nearest to you, but you can choose a centre anywhere in Ireland. Need assistance with sitting your test? Use the drop-down menu to request. 2. Pick a date and time for your test that is convenient for you. 3. Confirm payment, review your booking and confirm you have read the terms and conditions. Easy. The details of your booking will appear on screen and confirmation will be sent to you. Your appointment details can also be checked in the My Booking section of myroadsafety.ie. Your test can be rescheduled up to 10 days before your appointment. You can reschedule your test twice before you have to pay the test fee again. myroadsafety.ie has everything you need for each stage of your driver journey. Best of luck! Easily manage your driver services with myroadsafety.ie.
So hopefully that was helpful and has given you an insight into applying for the test. For more, check out the website myroadsafety.ie if you have not done so already. Watch out for more videos in the coming days. Check out our online course. If you have a driving test date, it will help you at PassFirstTime.ie. It's half price at the moment. Good luck if you are doing your test. And thank you again to everybody who has liked, subscribed, clicked the bell and done all the necessary things. We will have another video in the series 30 tips in 30 days, same time tomorrow.